Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button as well. Let's get started. This is gold chart. Yesterday there was an interesting day in gold. Yesterday gold made low around 1852, then bounced back. Yesterday when data released from US, core retail sales came 3.3% versus minus 2.8%. Monthly retail sales was up 3.8% versus minus 2.5% earlier. In fact, even monthly industrial production rises from minus 0.1% to 1.4%. So there was bumper data which was enough to crash the gold, but unfortunately gold didn't crash because of Russia-Ukraine front. Despite Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, saying that they are moving troops away from the border, the geopolitical crisis was de-escalating for a while because gold crashed from 1882, 1844, but it was really short-lived. Yesterday, in a major news came, according to New York Times, Russia said it was continuing to pull troops back from near Ukraine, but Secretary of State Antony Blinken and the head of NATO said they had seen no indication of a withdrawal. In fact, both NATO as well as US have acknowledged that they have no concrete evidence that a Russian pullback has transpired. Interestingly, both statements by US and NATO both are in contrast statements by Russian defense minister and even Russian president. This uncertainty kept gold higher because there was uncertainty if Russia have really moved back their troops or not, because US is saying they have not seen any concrete evidence and Russia is saying we have started moving the troops back. That is why gold was up. In fact, if you have watched my yesterday's video, I have given you a resistance of 1862. Gold broke 1862 here, and after that gold tested around 1876. So there were $14 gains after the resistance. Obviously gold have entered in positive zone because the resistance have broken now. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 1860 will act as support now. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect gold to test around 1848 and 1832. Resistance at 1886. Above this resistance, expect 1898 and $1910. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. Let's move on to silver. Unlike gold, silver didn't move much even though it has broke the resistance of 1850. It made high of 2366 and now currently back at 2351. It is not trading in that positive zone, unlike gold, which is fueled by geopolitical tensions. Silver is trading in positive zone, but stay cautious in buying. You can also join me for live stream. I usually live stream from 7 to 8 p.m. on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. Yesterday we were discussing this only, that Russia have said they have started withdrawing the troops, but US is contradicting that. We discussed that in live stream yesterday. So make sure you join for live stream as well. My live stream channel link can be found in description. You can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. I usually live update data and other major important events, plus some regular updates on gold and silver as well. I also have a free signals channel on Telegram. You can find all links in description. Let's have a look at resistance and support for silver today. 2330, that will act as support now. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect $23 and $21. sorry, $23 and $20 to $50, not $21 directly. Resistance at 23.75. Above this resistance expect 24 and 24.30. Currently it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Yesterday crude oil crashed and tested around $90. Crude oil inventory came in highly positive. It came 1.1 million versus minus 4.8 million. So there was clearly a selling pressure from the inventory. After the inventory, crude oil have started gaining and now it is trading 92.84. It is about to break the resistance and about to enter in positive zone despite a big crash. So let me give you resistance and support for today's trading session. 91.50 will act as support now. Below this support, expect fresh selling up to $90. Resistance at 93.30. Above this resistance, expect crude oil to test in positive zone. Above 93.30, expect $94 and $95 once again. Currently, crude oil is in weak zone, but above the resistance, it needs to sustain above resistance for 30 to 60 minutes in order to return to positive. Let's move on to euro. Yesterday, I have given a buy signal to my paid subscribers in euro. We bought around 54, I think 54, 55 and book profit around 86. You can also get my paid signal by sending me a message on WhatsApp. You can get details on WhatsApp if you want to avail paid buy and sell signal. Currently, euro have entered in weak zone, so let me give you resistance and support for today's trading session. 14.05 will act as resistance now. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 14.30 and 14.60. Support at 1310. Below this support, expect 12.80 and 12.50. Currently, it is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. Yesterday, it made high around above 3600. Currently trading 35.74. Interestingly, it is trading in positive zone, so let me give you resistance and support. 35.40 will act as support now. If pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 3500. Resistance at 36.10. Above this resistance, expect 36.40 and 36.80. Currently, British pound is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin and these are the levels from yesterday's video. Bitcoin have entered in weak zone, so need to tweak those levels. Resistance now at $44,620. Support at $42,800. Currently it is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Do not go for buy till market is holding below the resistance. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum yesterday's levels. It is still trading in positive zone. Resistance and support all same, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian markets. This is Indian gold, currently trading 49,815. Gold support at 49,680 rupees. Resistance at 50,100 rupees. I will refresh these levels once USD INR close at 5 PM. You can check 5 PM levels in community post. You can also check copper, zinc, natural gas level in community post right now. Silver is trading 63,345. Silver support at 62,900 rupees. Silver resistance at 64,180 rupees. If you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, don't forget to press the like button. How did you like the video? Please leave a comment. I would really love to see your feedback. If you want to avail buy signal, paid signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. So that was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and for regular update, consider subscribing my channel. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment in comment section. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.